Welcome back. I just have a quick video today, a tutorial on how to pronounce these three words: depth, width, and height. These words are used to describe the dimensions of an object. How deep is it? That is its depth. How wide is it? That is its width. How tall is it? That is its height, or how high is it? So just a quick description of the phonetics of these sounds. Depth has a plain old monophthong vowel, and it's the eh sound as in dress, the dress vowel. Depth, depth, depth. It's kind of tricky to coordinate the P into the TH, so try it slowly. Depth. Okay, and what about width? Well, it has a D in the spelling, but not in the pronunciation. Because it goes to a voiceless fricative, we're just going to take the voicing right off that D, and we're going to say width, width. So notice I'm not just saying width, I'm doing a quick pause at the alveolar ridge, and then going to the fricative, width, width. So I call attention to that quick pause with this unreleased T here. And the last one is height. Now, some people say height by accident because look, TH, 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 whoops, this is an HT. So no wonder, I mean, especially non-native speakers would kind of just assume that this has an English pronunciation. You'll hear either height from maybe Americans, height, and then from Canadians like me, you'll hear a very kind of narrow diphthong vowel for that one, height, height. Do they sound different to you? Here, let me see if I can demonstrate the difference. Height, height. So this is kind of like the difference between ride and right. Height, height. How do you say it? All right, leave me some comments, questions, and any ideas for my next video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.